BioScience Toners. BioScience Toners are balancing alcohol-free products that restore the skin's natural pH balance without drying out the epidermis. They're suitable for all skin types and should be used after cleansing to prep the skin for treatment products. They come in a spray bottle for quick and easy application throughout the day. Advantage number 1: stabilize the skin's pH. BioScience Toners help to restore the skin's optimal pH, especially after any steps requiring rinsing your face with water, for example when using a foaming cleanser or when taking a shower. A healthy skin pH is around 5.5 on average, which is slightly acidic. Water has a neutral pH of 7, making it more alkaline than the skin. The simple fact of rinsing your face with water will change your natural skin's pH and make your skin feel more tight or dehydrated. Spraying a light mist of BioScience Toners will bring back the optimal skin's pH balance, which is required to proceed to the next steps in your skincare routine. Important note to remember: BioScience Toners owe their pH balancing properties to floral waters. Floral waters come from the steam distillation process of flowers. They represent a diluted version of essential oils and thus provide many benefits to the skin. They have an acidic pH, which as a consequence regulates the skin's pH. Unlike essential oils, floral waters can be used without special precaution or contraindication by children, pregnant or breastfeeding women. Advantage number 2: refreshing effects. BioScience Toners offer an immediate refreshing effect. They're ideal for an instant relief at any time of the day, from hot flashes during menopause or after a workout. The Nelly Vuyst BioScience collection offers 3 toners, including the Sensitive Skin Toner, the Lifting Complex Toner, and the Soothing Lotion. The Sensitive Skin Toner is perfectly adapted to all skin types, and especially sensitive skin. It contains a calming and refreshing synergy of witch hazel, lavender, and rose floral waters, which helps prevent redness and soothe any sensation of discomforts and tightness. The Soothing Lotion is ideal for hypersensitive, inflamed, and irritated skin, as well as for anyone prone to hypophagus due to poor circulation. This unique product contains vasoconstrictive tannic acid, decongesting cornflower water, and calming roseflower water, which help to instantly desensitize hypersensitive skin and reduce redness. The Soothing Lotion is particularly recommended to relieve the skin following aesthetic medical procedures, such as laser, IPL, or chemical peels. It can be used as a 10-minute compress on the eyelids to decongest hypophagus and offer an immediate fresh look. The Lifting Complex Toner is specifically formulated for mature skin with wrinkles or lacking firmness. It contains a toning and astringent synergy of sage, lavender, rosemary, and rose floral waters, which helps refine the appearance of pores and promote firmer-looking skin. BioScience Toners can be used as a makeup setting spray to help keep your makeup in place all day. After applying your makeup, simply spray a light mist of toner evenly over the face. Results: the face looks immediately fresher and brighter. The skin's pH is perfectly balanced. The skin is ready for the next skincare steps. How to use: for daily use after cleansing your face, spray toner on your face and neck, avoiding your eyes. Massage the skin gently to ensure better penetration of the product. Finish with appropriate treatment products for your skin type.